Hello, 6th primary, how are you all? Today we will go on to complete our revision we already started before تحت رعاية وإشراف وزارة التربية والتعليم. Today we will go on to cover more exercises on pie chart, lateral surface area and total surface area of a cube and cuboid, and solving more exercises. Let's see what we will go on to do. The first exercise we have here, I have a room. Its length is 5 meters, its width is 4 meters, and its height is 3.2 meters. It is wanted to paint its lateral walls and ceiling. The cost price of this 1 square meter is £8. Calculate the required cost, knowing that the room has 2 windows and a door. Their area equal 8 meters square. First of all, I want you to be sure that every length or width or height have the same unit, measuring unit. هنا عندي meter وهنا I have here a meter, and a meter. Okay, so I can use these measurement without changing any measuring unit. طيب, first of all, it's occupied, so I will go on to find. He wants from me to find the area of the painting wall and the ceiling. So it have lateral surface area. It means 4 faces, okay, and the ceiling it's already 1 face. So I can do it writing the rule of the lateral area of this room. It will be 2 times length plus width times height. This is the rule. Okay, so we're going to make 2 times length 5 plus 4. So it will be 2 times 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 9 times 2 times 3.2 give you 57.6 meters square. So this is the lateral area. This is the area of the 4 walls around the room. Okay, طيب, let's see what I supposed to find the area of the sea. Okay, so I will go to make الاريا بتاعتي عبارة عن ايه؟ length times width. So I will go to find the area of the ceiling equal 4 times 5 equal 20. طيب, now I can find the total area. I will go to add 57.6 plus 20. So it will be 77.6 meters square. يبقى 77.6 meters square. It represents the area of the 4 walls and the ceiling. طيب, دي الاريا بتاعتي. انا لسه ما جبتش البرايس. هو عايز مني ان انا اطلع الايه؟ البرايس. But الروم بتاعتي has 2 windows and a door. الاريا بتاعتها 8. يبقى before finding the price I supposed to subtract التوتال area minus الاريا of the door and the windows. لازم اشيل الاريا بتاعت الايه؟ الدور and the windows. I want you to imagine it. بصوا تخيلوا كده انا عندي الروم اهي. اوكي، الروم دي فيها دور و 2 windows. انا عندي I wanted to find the area of this part. I want to find the area of this part. So what I supposed to do? I'm supposed to find the total area and subtract the area of the 2 windows and the door. Okay? I want you to imagine the story of the word problems to make it easy for you. Sometimes when you're reading the word problem, you feel that it's too hard to answer. It's something we didn't practice before, but if you read it properly, you will find it so easy. So I will go to make 77.6 minus 8 meters square. So I will going to find it as 69.6 meters square. طيب, then I will going to write البرايس بتاعي, the price of the painting. It will be التوتال area بتاعتي اللي أنا طلعتها times the price of the 1 meter square اللي هي 8. So it will be 69.6 times 8 give you 556.8 pound. طيب, هنا في بوينت صغيرة جدا عايزة أقولها. لو هنا مديني الاريا مش بالمتر سكوير، مديهاني بالسنتيمتر. You have to change it to become a meter. ليه؟ لأن أنا قبل ما أعمل أي حاجة لازم أتأكد إن النمبرز بتاعتي كلها with the same unit measuring unit. طيب let's see another exercise here. I have Yusuf used a piece of cardboard in the form of a rectangle. Its length is 1.2 and its width is 80 meter. To form a occupied box, its edge length equal 30 centimeter. Calculate the remainder paper area after forming the box. طيب أول step خالص I will going to change length to centimeter. عندي 1.2 times 100 give me 120. So I have supposed to here centimeter, I'm sorry. So I will go on to write it 120 times 80 equal, now I have the same unit, 120 centimeter and 80 centimeter. So I will go on to write it as 120 times 80 to find the area of the board. It will give me 9,600 centimeter square. طب أنا جبت التوتال اريا بتاعتي، هعمل إيه بعد كده؟ I will going to find the total area بتاعت البورد كلها اللي هي 6 times 30 times 30 اللي هي 6 faces times side times side. Okay, so it will be 6 times 30 times 30 equal 5,400 centimeter square. So that reminding paper الاريا بتاعت البيبر اللي فاضله لي هعمل التوتال اللي انا جبته، الاريا اللي انا جبتها اللي هي 9600 ماينس الاريا بتاع التوتال اريا بتاعتي اللي هي 5400 give me 4200 centimeter square. In this exercise, I have the following table shows the percentage of the production of one factory of 4 kind of electric set. Represent these data by using the circular sector. النهارده هنتعلم ازاي هنرسم ونطلع الميسنج percent. أول حاجة هو مديني التيبل ده عندي TV set by 35%, washing machine 20%, refrigerator 15%, and cooker missing. But it's supposed to find it by percent. يبقى أول حاجة I supposed to find the missing percent. هطلع missing percent. إزاي أطلعها؟ أنا عندي التوتال كله must be equal 100. طيب يبقى I will going to make التوتال minus اللي given اللي عندي. So I will going to find the missing by making 100 minus 35 plus 20 plus 15, so it give you 30%. تاني أطلع إزاي الميسنج كوكر؟ تاني هعمل التوتال بتاعي لازم أنا I know إن كده لازم تبقى out of 100. لازم التوتال بتاع كل التي في بتاعتي، التي في والكوكر والواشنج ماشين والريفريجريتور كل دول بالبرسنت لازم يبقى التوتال بتاعي 100. طب يبقى انا عندي 35 و20 و15. How many left to become 100؟ قد ايه ناقص عشان يوصل لي لل 100؟ So I will going to make 100 minus the total of them. So it will be 30%. يبقى this is the missing percent I have. Then I will going to find الانجل بتاع كل ماشين. طب أول حاجة عندي التي في هعمل إزاي؟ the measure of the central angle of TV هعملها إزاي؟ هاخد البرسنتج بتاعتها time 360 degree. Let's remember why it's supposed to be 360 degree. The measure of the angle of the circle. أي circle في الدنيا التوتال measure angle equal إيه؟ 360. يبقى عشان تطلع قد إيه 30% دي represent، قد إيه 35% دي represent an angle، قد إيه بالديجري you will going to write making the percentage okay time the total degree of the angle. So it will be هعمل 35 out of 100 لأن 35% means 35 out of 100 times 360 degree equal 126 degree. Now I will going to find the second point, the measure of the central angle of washing machine. أنا عندي washing machine ب 20%, so it will be 20 divided by 100 times 360 degree give me 72 degree. The third angle supposed to be of the measuring angle of refrigerator supposed to be 15 out of 100 times 360 degree equal 54 degree. طيب تاني ازاي اجيب الديجري؟ ازاي انا هو مديني نمبر بالبرسنت اطلع الديجري؟ ما انا I have to draw، انا برسم الانجلز بايه؟ بالديجري not by the percentage. طيب يبقى I supposed to change من البرسنت to degree. اعملها ازاي؟ اخد every percent multiplied by the total degree. The total measuring of the circle equal 360 degree. واطلع الميجرنج angle بتاع كل واحدة. طيب then the measure of the central angle of the cooker اللي هي اللي كانت الميسنج، انا طلعت 30 out of 100 times 360 degree equal 108 degree. I want to say something. هنا انت عندك تقريبا how many angle؟ الكوكر، refrigerator، التي الwashing machine. So you have four machines. انت you will start drawing a 3. الفورث part هو اللي هيأكد لك ان الدروينج بتاعك right or wrong. لو الفورث بارت بتاعتك طلعت لك نفس الانجل اللي انت اوريدي مطلعها، يبقى الانجل الدروينج بتاعك right. تعالوا نشوف ازاي او ايه معنى الكلام اللي انا بقوله ده. اول حاجه I will going to draw a circle. طبعا I will try to explain it more but you have to take care about every step and I will going to do. اول step I will going to draw a circle. any circle with any، يعني ممكن تستخدم radius 3 مثلا، تظبط الكامبس بتاعك على 3 اوكي وdraw a circle عشان ولا هو يبقى كبير قوي ولا هو يبقى صغير قوي. هتحدد السنتر بوينت بتاعتك وdraw a radius اوكي. الراديوس ده you will go and start putting your protractor on to start drawing the angle. هي اول انجل عندك احنا كنا اخدينها ايه؟ تعالوا كده نفتكر تاني مع بعض. أول angle 126، تاني angle 72، the third angle supposed to be 54، the third يبقى 126 72 54 and of course the last one will be 108. طيب I will start drawing the first angle اللي هي 126. So I will go to put البروتراكتور بتاعتي على الراديوس بتاعي. اظبط بقى، لازم هنا اظبط كويس قوي البروتراكتور بتاعتي. السنتر بوينت بتاعتي عند الزيرو، عند الزيرو بتاعت البروتراكتور. بصوا البروتراكتور بتاعتك is supposed to be like that and you will go to put السنتر بوينت عند الايه؟ الزيرو بتاعتك. هنا اللاين touching the zero، ما تبقاش ولا فوق الزيرو ولا تحت الزيرو عشان تعرف تعمل measuring properly للانجل. طب from where I will go to count my angle؟ من هنا ولا من هنا؟ from the zero on the line بتاعك، من الزيرو اللي على اللاين بتاعك. هنا انت عندك الراديوس اهو. So I will start drawing from this counting from this side. So I will going to write now I'm going to start counting 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 120 ولازم اعمل counting 126. هنا بقى I will going to start counting the dashes from between ال 120 وال 130. الداش اللي between دي الداش دي represent الهاف اللي هي ال 5. So I have 126. يبقى هنا في الايه؟ في الداش اللي بعد الايه؟ اهي. Then I will going to اهي من هنا 126. So I will going to draw the line. يبقى هنا كده الانجل دي بتاعتي supposed to be ايه؟ 126. Directly I will going to write 126 degree. ليه؟ To not forget that this angle it will be 126. ولازم انت كل انجل او كل بارت انت بتعملها لازم ترسم الانجل بتاعتها، لازم تقول انا عندي ايه اوكي او اللي انا عملته دي ايه او represent ايه. Sometimes you have to write هي دي represent الايه؟ TV. So I will going to write TV. اوكي طيب بعد كده I want to draw the second angle. ازاي؟ From the last line draw. من آخر لاين أو من آخر راديوس أنت رسمته you will put your protractor on. بص أنا هحط البروتراكتور بتاعتي إزاي؟ أهو هحط البروتراكتور بتاعتي على اللاين الآخر لاين اللي أنا رسمته. So I will put السنتر بوينت على السنتر عند الزيرو أوكي عند السنتر بوينت بتاعت السيركل والزيرو بتاعتي أهي على اللاين بتاع آخر radius أنا رسمته. أنا started from this one drawing this radius, so I will start drawing putting my protractor in this radius. طب هنا I supposed to be 72, I remember, so I will going to count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 72, so it's supposed to be 2 point after the 70. اهي هنا بالظبط ادي البوينت اهي 72. So I will going to draw, I will going to remove the protractor بتاعتي عشان تبان أكتر. So I will put drawing my line and write the value of it. It will be 72 degree. طيب تاني أنا كده رسمت 126 ورسمت 72. إيه الثيرد أنجل هرسمها منين؟ هحط البروتراكتور بتاعتي فين؟ من آخر radius أنا رسمته، من آخر لاين أنا رسمته. أنا آخر لاين رسمته إيه؟ أهو اللاين ده. يبقى I will going to put my protractor on it. هحط البروتراكتور بتاعتي، اظبط السنتر بوينت عند الايه؟ السنتر بوينت بتاعت السيركل، الزيرو على اللاين بتاع الايه؟ الراديوس اللي انا رسماه. And I will going to start counting from this side. I want to have 108 or what? It will be supposed to be 54. So I will going to put my protractor اهي 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 54. I have 50 and I will going to count how many dash? 4 dashes. يعني هي تقريبا قبل الهاف ب1 dash، قبل الميدل لاين ده بايه؟ ب1 dash. So it will be 54. I'm going to remove the protractor and join the point. So I have 54. عشان هنا البارت اللي انا بقول لك عايز تتاكد ان الانسر بتاعك والدراونج بتاعك صح، حط البروتراكتور بتاعك على اخر لاين وميجر. لو هو الانجل بتاعتك طلعت ايكوال النمبر اللي هو المفروض يطلعه you're supposed to have 108. If you put it at 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 108. So my answer is right. ليه؟ لأن آخر angle supposed to be 108. ولما أنا عملت لها measuring بالبروتراكتور لقيت إن السبيس اللي فاضل عندي فعلا 108. So I have the right answer. My drawing is right. طيب مهم قوي ان انا احط كل سبيس الانجل بتاعتي في النص او الميجرنج انجل بتاعتي في النص. اوكي، مهم قوي ان انا اتاكد ان انا حاطه البروتراكتور بتاعي صح في السبيس اللي صح، هو باصص حطاه على اخر لاين انا رسمته looking to the next side and starting counting with the zero on the line I already drew. By this way, I will be sure that the drawing pie chart, circular sector بتاعتي, it will be right. Let's see the second exercise I have here to choose. He gave me -5 to the power of 2 plus 5. First of all, you have to understand this is addition, so you will going to do every one alone. So you have to make -5 to the power of 2. ال2 هنا عندي even. I have an even power. يبقى هتخلي لي البيز ايه؟ negative or positive base. Of course it will be changed to positive base. يبقى 5 to the power of 2 معناها 25 لأن 5 times 5 equal 25. So it seems like I'm making 25 plus 5 equal 30. So I supposed to choose a 30. The next exercise I have 7 power of 5 divided by 7 power of 4. 7 power of 5 divided by 7 power of 4, it means equal base divided. I will go on to subtract my power. So it will be 7, 5 minus 4, and 5 minus 4 equal 1. So it will be equal 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 give me 8. So the right choice is supposed to be 8. I have -2 to the power of 20 divided by 2 to the power of 15. طيب. First of all, I have -2 to the power of 20, but 20 it's an even power, 0. ده even برضو. يبقى I will going to cancel a negative. So it will be 2 to the power of 20. Positive base, I will going to write it 20. Sorry, it 2. I will going to write it 2 power 20 minus 15. So 2 base, 20 minus 15 equal 5. So 2 to the power of 5, it's my right choice. Let's have the third exercise. Here he gave me the additive inverse. I want to mention something here first before going to the next one. Sometimes some of you didn't do the steps. They just making 20 minus 15 equal 5. But you have to look, I have here 2 to the power of 5 and negative 2 to the power of 5. If you didn't do the steps and be sure about every step you are doing, you could confused about the positive base and the negative base. So you have to take care about this part. The last exercise I have the additive inverse of negative 1 power of 3. 3, it's an odd number, so I will going to make negative 1 as it is. So negative 1, الاديتيف inverse بتاعته ايه؟ negative 1 supposed to be a positive 1. By this way, we answer many different exercises. How to draw a circular sector, finding the missing percent, know how to find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of the cube unoccupied. We revise the repeated multiplication. We do different exercises on the power, on the repeated multiplication. I hope you understand it very well, and every step we explained to you, it was easy for you. Thank you very much. See you next time, inshallah.